So, okay, we'll have dinner here at Mama's. Okay, people, here now. Hello! Andiyan pala si Phil.
Nakamoy lang ng barbecue. Nakalimutan si Phil.
Phil, eat yan. Come.
Wow, may taba.
Ay, ang sarap. You like, I give you, but go.
One taba lang.
Ay, God, this is it.
Yan. Sige mo.
Si ate. Ate, ang sarap ng food.
Break muna tayo sa mga heavy
Okay.
food. But you have what?
We have kare-kare.
Kare-kare.
And we have sisig. We have lechon paksiw. Okay.
So light. Grabe.
So light. It's really light.
Hey, Jameson, who's that?
Teddy Andres.
Teddy Andres. Oh, my gosh, naging Teddy na daw si Lolo.
Okay.
That's Teddy Andres? Oh, taking a photo pa of Lolo.
Lola.
Okay, smile, Lola. Why do you call that Teddy Andres? Because there's a voice of Lola.
It's okay na.
The Teddy. Okay, Teddy. Say hi to the vlog. Stomach in.
No bashing. It's for fun, of course.
Oh, why thumbs down?
Okay.
Okay,
Again,
another one
again.
again.
No bashing. It's for fun, of course.
Yes, good. Okay, where's your Teddy Andres? That's Teddy Lolo.
Hi. Hello, small. Hey, lumayas ka na. Tama na. Oh, lumayas ka na.
Bakit nga lang, Dad? That Lolo's like that ba? So cute.
Tama na.
You miss Lolo.
Sure, Grandpa. Oh! Lumayas ka na.
Because Lolo is like that, you know, when you talk to Lolo. Okay, good night to Grandpa. Thanks to Grandpa.
Good night, Grandpa.
Ayan, oh, he's putting na Grandpa sa, ano, sa chair niya. Ayan, oh, ayan. Okay, so cute, Jameson. Good night, Jameson.
Good night, Auntie Small. Have fun, guys. Good night.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment.
Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Today we came from church, and of course we're here in Heritage to visit. Oh my gosh, they're here now. We're late again, and we came from church, and of course, oh may pagkain, ang dami. Okay guys, we do this every Sunday. Ate, saan si Mama? Where's Mother?
House.
Nag-heal pa. Papahil siya na.
Oh my gosh, kasi ako na,
Every Sunday kasama si Mother, pero nasa car lang all the time. So, ito, hi Daddy.
Oh, it's not small.
Okay. And this is our Daddy Day every Sunday. Oh, hello Daddy.
Kaya hindi na ako nagdala, sabi ko, ng flowers. Hindi plenty flowers, pa small. Hindi na ako nagdala ng flowers.
Love, gusto mo na ang shawarma?
Apo, ma'am.
Ay! Ang bilis lang hindi ako na mali ako sige, mag-merienda ko muna. Si Francis, bigyan mo.
Opo, ma'am. Thank you po. Ano, masarap ba yung food nyo? Mas nung lasa lang yun yung ano? Wow, french fries. Potato corner. Mag-hi ka sa mga followers mo. Naubos niya. Nauna pa siya kay friends mo, ubos sa inyo.
So, okay, today is my annual check-up for my mammogram, and of course, if Phil nag-volunteer, he'll go with me. Why did you go? Support. Kasi alam niya, I'm so anxious, and so, of course, we have to take care of our health and do our annual check-up. My gosh, I'm so anxious. But you know, everything will be fine. Let's just pray to God. Babe, thank you so much for coming with me.
Of course, babe.
Of course. So, okay, let's go now. I'm so scared. Okay, bye guys. So, okay, I just finished my mama and ultrasound. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful. Thank you, Doc. Nare-relax ako kay Doc. So, dahil na yung mama ko, it's just an annual check-up. So, guys, there's nothing to worry. So, Doc, thank you so much. That's Dr. Abby Ortiz. Hi. Thank you, Doc. So, okay, I'll eat my nice lunch today. Because good news. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Okay, here in Cardinal. Thank you, hi, guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Done na ang annual check-up ko. So, okay, si Phil ang sobrang baeto with me. Yeah, bakit daw hindi ako nakamas? Kasi nag-photo ako nag-picture. So, guys, we're on our way home. Okay, we'll have a nice lunch. Finish na yung annual check-up ko. Update lang, a day in the life, and we'll pass by the chapel first. So the other day we were here, we did our endoscopy and what else? The colonoscopy. So we're here sa chapel na. We'll enter and of course be thankful and grateful. We're here sa chapel. Okay, let's go home na and you'll have a good lunch. So at least finish na my annual check-up at last. Finally, I keep on procrastinating but now I have the courage to do it and feel it certainly.
Ayan na si ma'am after check-up. Si ma'am napa-beauty breast. Ma'am.
Lot.
Beauty breast.
Yes, beauty rest lot.
Beauty rest pala, oh.
O yan, of course, now a day in the life. Ayan, nagbe-beauty. Of course, from New Lounge. Si RG and si Marlene. Ako, long time na long time manicurista and pedicurista. So guys, look, this is a day in the life. I'm having my eyelash and pedi mani again. And guys, you know, I just came from my colonoscopy. And my gosh, I was so stressed. The whole night, I was like, okay, well, how do you call it? Yung labatiba. Siyempre, of course, important ang health natin. And finally, makakakain na ako after the fasting. You know, guys, I really have to do fasting at 10 a.m. yesterday. So, guys, from 10 a.m. up to 8, I didn't take anything, just water, liquid. So, okay, after my colonoscopy, hi guys, syempre, of course, lafang.
Ma'am, may pinya dun, ma'am.
Ay, my gosh, where?
Dun po sa may garden ni Alden.
Ay, sa garden?
Opo,
ay, okay, may pinya?
Opo, 10 siya, ma'am, pero 4 lang may bunga.
Wow, o sige, later, tingnan natin, na-check ko.
Opo.
Pwede na bang mag-harvest ng pinya here?
Hindi pa po, ma'am, pwede. Kasi maliit pa po siya.
So, okay, magha-harvest tayo ng pineapple here sa roof deck. Nasaan? Dito?
Opo.
Dito or sa other side?
Dito po.
Dito, sa harap ko?
Opo, ma'am.
Wow, ang galing talaga ni Alden.
Tsaka may mangga din to, ma'am.
Saan?
Sa baba po.
Oh my gosh, lot, kailangan tayong mag-harvest.
Tsaka anim yung bunga. Malalaki.
Wow, ng mangoes?
Opo.
Ay my God. Okay, later, lot, mag-harvest tayo ng fruits.
Opo.
Okay?
Opo. Tapos may sili na buyo din.
Labuyo? Oh my gosh. Meron bang bell pepper?
Wala po, sili pa lang po.
Ay, gusto ko yung parang mga bell pepper. Sabihin mo kay Alden, mag-plant siya ng lychees at saka ng grapes, ha?
Opo.
Sige. Kailangan maraming grapes tayong i-harvest, ha? Lot.
Pa.
After nito, gusto ko na mag-merienda.
Anong gusto mo, ma'am?
Lahat gusto kong kainin after the fasting. Ano kaya? What?
Gusto mo banana Q?
Alam mo, yung banana Q mo. Never-ending banana Q tayo dito sa house. Bakit nagpadala na naman si Ate ng mga maraming bananas?
Opo. Isang piling po.
Ano ba ka isang ganon?
Ayun nga, piling yan, di ba? Yung isang ganon?
No.
Ano nga yun? Oh.
Ano yun? Isang bulig yun.
Ay, isang bulig.
Bulig? Isang bulig.
Ano ang isang piling? Yung piling.
Isang
ano
ganon yun. Bulig.
Pala.
Okay, so, okay. Ilang araw tayo magbabanana Q?
Kung hanggang gusto mo pa, ma'am.
So, okay, Lot, mag-prepare ka sa akin ng merienda later.
Opo, ma'am.
Kasi sobra akong nagutom sa fasting ko.
Gusto mo sandwich din?
Sandwich. Okay. Ay, Alam mo, ang ganda, sarap ng ginagawa niyong Unipack.
Gusto mo yun?
Sandwich. Oh, gusto ko yun.
Sige
Sarap
po.
nun. Oh, sige, gawa ka.
Okay po, ma'am. Sige po.
Oh my gosh, by the way, nagpadala ng 10 boxes ang Unipack, ha? Okay? Ay, magdala tayo sa Dasma ng Unipack.
Anong flavor, ma'am?
Lahat.
Okay po, sige po.
Okay.
Tag isang box, isang
2
box.
boxes each.
Sige, guys.
Thank you, Unipack!
Guys, check natin yung pinya. Ayan, wow! Ang dami rin melon. Lemon pala. Ayan o. Oh, yellowish na yung mga lemon ni ma'am. Wow. Lemon in the fat. No need to buy it in the market. Kasi marami na siyang lemon dito sa Rough Deck. Any kind of food, she wants lemon. Dito pa lang yan guys sa side. Doon pa doon sa taas. Siyempre, going up. And check the all lemon here. Hello mga lemon. Yun din, yan o. Wow. Wow. Kalamansi. Siyempre, dragon seed. Meron palang dalandan dito. Meron kalamansi. Ayan, may siling labuyo kami. Ayan na yung siling labuyo. And then, ito yung mangkupa. And guys, oh my God. Daming mangkupa. Yan yung maraming bunga ng mangkopa. Guys, yung mangga ni Kuya Alden, namunga po sa may pot. Ayan siya. Ayan yung mangga. Tinakpan ni Kuya Alden para hindi daw po makain ng ibon. Tama ba, Kuya Alden? Yes daw po sabi niya. Mangkupa. Ano po naman guys, mangkupa na green. Oh, dito lang siya natupo sa pot. And guys, yan yung una namin kinuha. Yung ngayon, pangalawang kuha na yun. Malaki na rin siya. Kuya Alden, ganda talaga ng mga kamay mo, Kuya Alden. Magtanim ka daw ng ng lychee pa. Tapos ng atis, tsaka santol, tsaka mais, sabi ni ma'am. Okay, sa another site pala. Ayoko dyan pumunta, Kuya.
Tingnan muna dito. Tingnan mo, ma'am, kayang-kaya mo yun, oh.
Saan? Yan, ayoko. Saan banda? Doon sa dulo?
Oo, dulo.
Agay, Diyos ko.
Ano?
Guys, doon sa dulo yung pinya. Ayoko
Tayo muna,
pumunta.
tapos ako na mag-ano.
Oh, yan, si Kuya Aldin na lang pumunta guys kasi walang harang ng daanan namin. Si Kuya Aldin na lang, hintay na lang ako dito.
4 na bunga. 4 din hindi nagbunga pa. 1, 2, 4 nga.
Ma'am, okay nga. Yes po. Oh, wow, lot kanina pa ako naghihintay ng Unipack mackerel sandwich ko. So, okay, thank you, Archie. Thank you so much. I will eat na. I'm so hungry. Okay. Okay, I'll try this Unipack sandwich na ginawa ni Lot. Thank you, Unipack. Ang dami ng gift sa akin. Grabe. Lot, magdala tayo sa Dasma ng 6 boxes, ha? Ako, ma'am. Okay. So, okay, Archie. Thank you. Next time, new lounge. Oh, hi, Archie. Wow, Mark.
Parang they're all the same shape naman.
Okay, I'll try this. Wow, this is so nice, Mike. But this is for darker skin, ah.
Yeah. This is for lighter naman. I think lighter pa than the one from last time.
Oh,
So the one last time would be the middle.
oh, good. I like the texture. This is the one we tried many times, na?
Yeah. So we tried this before. Then there's a minor adjustment to the shape
To the shade. Oh, okay, this is so nice.
just to make it the best.
Oh my God, what?
So there's the lips. I'm not sure if this includes shades though.
Oh. Oh, is it nice?
Yeah, it's nice.
And then the other one, which is nicer. Okay, and this is the other color of my lip tint. So get ready for the lip tint.
Okay, perfect. See you.
Okay, see you. Saan na dito? Saan yung pineapple?
Nasa likod po ma'am, hindi mo kayang puntahan yun.
Guys, I'll show you the pineapple. Ito naman si Lot. Where?
Dito po.
Wow, ay, my God, ang dami kalamansi.
Pero ma'am, dalandan po yan.
Okay, it's still very hot here. Wow! Oh my God, ang daming, oh my... Guys, I have so many lemons here at the other side.
May sa taas pa po.
Oh my God, ang ganda! Pag dito, hindi nyo sinasabi, mag-harvest ako. Oh my God, guys, picture mo ako. My gosh, it's very hot. Let's go.
Hindi mo kaya yun kasi doon likod.
Nasaan na yung pineapple? Guys,
Labas pa doon sa labas.
ah, dito yung pineapple?
Opo, sa labas pa.
Ay, paano? How did you go?
Si Kuya Alden nga po kanina nag-
Okay, i-video mo na nga. Gusto ko makita. I-video
Opo.
mo yung pineapple.
Opo, ma'am, sige po.
Oh my gosh. Lime. This is not the landan. This is lime. Ang daming flowers. Naku, ito na naman. Oh my God, ano ba yan? Alam mo,
Anong ginawa mo dito?
guys, wait. Paano ko mag-harvest? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, ang daming lemons. Here pa. Oh my God. Okay. And ang ganda ng bougainvillea.
Yung kalamansi, ma'am.
Where's the calamansi?
Yun po. May yun pa yun.
Wow, ang dami.
Dito kumukuha araw-araw si Ate Melia po.
Ha? Ano?
May mangkupa pa dun, ma'am, saka mangga sa baba.
Alam mo, dito ba kayo kumukuha ng calamansi everyday?
Opo, ma'am.
I know it. Oh, look.
Dragon seed.
Guys, we have pomegranate.
Pomegranate ba yan?
Oh, this one, calamansi. No, this one is... Wow, what's that? Pomegranate.
Opo.
Guys, ang daming pomegranate here. Oh, it's so hot. Guys, grabe. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, ito ang dalandan. Oh my gosh, ang daming dalandan. This is my favorite juice. Oh.
Ay, oo nga, no? Dalandan.
This is dalandan. The other one, oh look. So guys, I have so many dalandans. I drink it every single day. And okay, let's go. It's so hot. Let's get ready. Go to Lola's house. Let's go. Alam mo, ito ayusin namin na ng maganda. So, let's go down.
Opo, ma'am.
So, a day in my life, okay? I went for colonoscopy, and then, pedicure, and then nag-lashes ako, thank you, New Lounge. And then, I'll go na to Mama's place, because we have birthday na naman. So, okay, let's go and get ready. So, guys, hello, where are you going? This is a day in the life of Mom.
There we go. So hot.
Why?
It's hot.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Bye, guys. See you in Dasma. Tim! Bye. See you in Dasma. I ride with me. Okay, good.
Boy.
Lot, sobra kang late. Ano ka ba?
Lahat kami naghihintay sa'yo.
Look at me, ayan, already na yung mga boys.
Ikaw, ito, wet hair. Halika na, let's go.
Okay, Michael. So, okay, let's go. See you. Ride with me. Who's gonna ride with Mom? Okay, very good.
Ride with me. Okay, invite my boys. They will ride with me. So, okay, we're all here. The 3 boys rode with me. And, okay, they want to band with Mom. According to me. Okay, thank you for riding with me, guys. Bluetooth daw, Francis. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Mike?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mike. Okay, we're on our way to Lola's and my birthday merienda and birthday dinner again. This is for afternoon delight cocktail. Wow!
This is Chibot,
Yeah, Chibo. Nice. Hi, Amado. Wow. Cinco hatas. Ah, sarap. My gosh, everything is so good.
After the colonoscopy.
After my colonoscopy, I can eat anything and I will devour everything. Wow, sarap. Oh my God. I love this. Sana may extra sauce.
Wow.
Everything is so good.
Thank you.
Then, look.
Yes,
Tawag mo ako sa
Excuse me.
We are getting all. TMI, you're getting more macho.
No,
Fat
I'm getting weight.
No, I'm getting more fat. Macho. Where's the birthday celebrant? I have ampaw.
Yeah, I'm talking it small.
So, So now it's early na. You have colonoscopy at 40. Fine.
Endoscopy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in
Now we did it in Singapore, 2012. And after 12 years, I did it. I'm now very brave. I'm so matapang bro.
Tapos na
The, our cincovatas at home. Ask Amelia to slice, okay?
small. There's artichoke.
Where? Wow. Artichoke there, pakilagay. I have artichoke dip there. Thank you. Lost inside. It's so cold. As in, lalamig talaga. Your food will get cold. It's so cold inside. Cold. Ayan. Si Ate Julie. There, that's the ate of the cousins. Ate, binlog namin si ate. Sabi namin the ate of the nagtatago. The ate of the cousins.
Samahan lang namin si Lola. Dito ba yun doon tayo?
Muna kayo.
Oh, sige.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Jessica.
Ay, muna kayo. Let's go. Okay, sige. Go get. Para sa Okay, I brought my Unipack natural here. Para sa ate and sa magmamahal na. Okay, happy ba kayo? Happy. Thank you, Unipack. Thanks to Annabelle. I'm Jasper. Love you guys. Okay, my gosh, excited sila. So, okay, magte-take out ako ng lechon. Gusto ko yung maraming ribs.
Small.
Ay, mother, you're going to... Bye, mother. Love you, mother. Okay, good night. Bye. Love you, mother. See you. Okay, back to lechon. Okay, yung lechon natin. Okay. Lot, magpakasiw ka tomorrow.
Ano pa? Sisig daw po.
Sisig.
Yung ulo. Opo.
Yung maasim-asim.
Meron ka na.
Yung parang smoked. Smoked sisig, ha?
Opo.
Bye, mother! Love you, mother. Lot.
Bye-bye, Lola. Good night po.
Baka ma-traffic. Okay, babush. Sige, ate, iuwi ko na ito.
Len. Yeah.
Okay.
For sisig.
Yung ulo po.
And for paksiw. Okay. And then let's
Kaya
go home.
paksiw.
May ribs. Doon ako. Very good. Ako nauna sa ribs. Si may taba-taba. Ay, very good. Kasi ba natin ng tip?
Opo. Ma'am, good afternoon po. Ma'am, di pa po mag-a-arbis tayo? Kaya na pa po ako naghihintay po.
Ay, bakit ngayon ka lang umakyat? 4:30 na.
Kaya na pa po kita hinihintay.
Ready na ba yung mga basket?
Opo, ma'am.
Alam mo, Lot, let's go na. Kasi I'll go to Bello Pub.
Opo,
Let's
ma'am.
go. Sige na.
Opo. Ma'am, parang sarap-sarap na yung kinakain mo.
Lot, super sarap. Ano, hingi ka na naman?
Pahinga, isa lang.
Alam mo, guys, si Lot, kailangan matikman lahat ng food ko. Or sige na nga, get.
Yes, thank you po. Parang sarap-sarap po, chocolate.
Good. With
Hairness pa rin, ma'am. Hairness.
O, yan. Anong harness? Chips, yan. With
Si Paway pala.
Hershey's.
Hershey's pala. Hairness.
Let's go na, let's go.
Opo.
Okay, then let's go. Guys, mag-harvest kami ng makopa and mangoes. Okay, so let's go. Si Alden. Nasa si Alden? Si Alden. Saan pakitawag? Alden. Alden, halika. Alden, nasan dito yung mga mangoes?
Ayun po, ma'am.
Saan? Akala ko marami tayong mangoes. Tingnan mo yung basket namin. Ang laki-laki. Ilan yung mangga?
Ito lang po.
Akala ko marami. Pwede balatan mo?
Meron pa sa asma mo?
Guys, ito sobrang alagang-alaga ang mangoes dito. Ayan, nakabalot. Alam mo, ang sabi nyo, for harvest season. Alden, bakit sinasabi ni Lot harvest season na? Pang-harvest na ba to?
Hindi naman po.
So, ilang piraso to?
Tatlo lang po.
Meron pa maliit sa taas.
Nasaan?
Ayan mo.
Meron ng ulak lang
Oh my God, ayun o. Pakita mo, Lot.
Tsaka
Oh
pa
my
yung isa.
gosh, sabi mo, Lot, mag-harvest tayo. Laki-laki ng bag ni Ben. Oh my gosh, wala. Teka, can I look na open? Hawakan mo. Sobrang cute. Thanks, Maan, sister, for this. Ang cute. Okay. Wow! Hindi pa ito pang-harvest?
Pwede na po arbis yun, ma'am.
Ang galing. Oh my God, ang gandaan. Naku, baka mo. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. So, look, pwede na itong i-harvest. Wow, ang ganda. Sumobra. Alam mo, ang double tape ko, Pen. Kaya nauubos. Guys, tingnan mo naman. Sinasayang yung double tape. Bakit double tape ang gamit nyo? Pen, bakit mo binigay? Dapat yung normal tape. Regular tape.
Ang dami mo po nito, ma'am.
Alan, yung double tape?
Ito po.
Saan yun nakuha?
Ano yan, ma'am? Tray ng tape na...
Oh my gosh,
Pang
pwede
ano?
normal tape, Oh guys, look ha. Okay, so okay, ito na yon. Oh my gosh, ito lang pala i-harvest pa. Akala ko kung naman... Okay, mag-harvest na lang tayo ng lemon sa taas.
Ma'am, huwag nyo na pong i-harvest po, ma'am. Kasi may isang kain pong binigay si Maalis po ng mangga po.
Ay, oo, nandiyan na ba?
Opo, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, okay, wag na. Okay, Alden, okay, lagyan mo sila ng sweater para hindi sila lamukin, okay? Kasi hindi ko pa sila i-harvest. Sayang, pag malaki na, kailan to dapat i-harvest?
Pwede na yun.
Pwede na. O sige, pagbalik ko na lang from LU. Okay, nasan yung makopa?
Ayun po.
Nasaan na? Wow, ang daming makopa. O ito, pwede na rin i-harvest.
Opo, ma'am.
Ay! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ay, nahulog! Grabe! Grabe, ang daming makopa, guys. Doon, oh. Nako, ano ba yan? Naghulog yung makopa.
Matamis po yan, ma'am.
Ay, matamis? O sige.
Opo.
Pen, can you get it? Ayan, ang dami! Kunin nyo, kunin nyo. Oh my gosh, ang dami pa dito. Kaya lang maliliit pa sila. Oh my gosh.
White naman po yan, ma'am.
White. Ay, ang gusto ko, Alden, yung white makopa kasi sobrang tamis. Ito white.
Yan po. Tsaka ito po.
Oh my gosh. Padamihin mo yung white makopa. Where's the white makopa? Ang
Yung dalawang puno ba yun?
wow, dalawa. Alam mo, Alden?
Dalawang puno ba yung...
Okay, padamihin mo yung yung white makopa. Yan ang matamis, ha? Tapos, what else? Okay, akyat na tayo sa taas.
Marami pa, ma'am.
Where?
Ito po po.
So, okay yung makopa dito. Ayan. Ayan pa. Oh my gosh, Pen. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Tatouch mo lang, nahuhulog na sila. Guys, so look ha. Makopa. Matamis ba to?
Opo, ma'am.
Wow! Okay, enough na. Okay na. So, let's go up for the
Lemon.
mga lemons and okay, Alden, okay. Balutan mo sila, ha? Lagyan mo ng lotion, ha? Para hindi sila lamukin. Yung off lamok. Okay, Pen, let's go!
Kulang na pala ito.
So guys, we'll go to the roof deck and dun kami mag-harvest ng mga dalantan and lemons.
Ma'am, may time pa po ba mag-lemon? Pupunta po kasi magbibelo pa po tayo po.
Oh my gosh, anong oras na?
Ano na po, ma'am? Alas 5 na po.
Oh my gosh, teka sandali, 5:30 yung 5:30 appointment natin sa Belo. Oh my gosh, okay, tomorrow na lang tayo mag-harvest, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow na tayo mag-harvest ng lemon sa taas. So guys, we'll go to Belo and 5 o'clock yung appointment natin. So, tomorrow na tayo mag-harvest.
Ma'am, ready na po. Matawag na po si Ma'am Jennifer po.
Lot, late na tayo pero gusto kong i-try itong na-harvest ko.
Tamis, ma'am, no, di ba?
Sobrang crunchy, grabe.
Tamis po.
So good. Pero lot, we have to get ready. Pero ikaw, ano yung kinakain mo?
Sinahap.
Ano na naman kinakain mo? Kain ka ng kain dyan?
Sinampay, ma'am.
Ano yan?
Ang lunay po.
Lot, ikaw ano na naman kinakain mo?
Yung ginawa ko po yung impact sandwich po.
Ay, that's masarap. That's so masarap. Oh wait, I have a gift from Tempo. Thank you. O teka, okay Lot, let's go na.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay, let's go na.
Opo.
I'll go up na. Tinry ko lang to. Okay.
Bigils pa po kayo?
Okay, para sa Belo.
Opo.
Galing na.
Yan, yung dark area ng elbows ko. Yan, nalalighten yan, Doc, when I use PicoSure.
Saka you get dark elbows kasi usually when you write a lot of things.
Yes,
Tapos ano siya sa desk. So, most of my patients, they usually
for my elbows, PicoSure. Look who's here, magpapakute din, magpapagwapo.
Si Hayden.
No,
And Hayden.
si Hayden.
Ay, Phil pala.
Gusto
Phil
namin,
siya. Ako,
gusto namin
Hayden and Phil.
PicoSure and we want to put a little bit of something.
Actually, ang gusto kong makita is mag-TikTok si Phil.
Nako.
Yung hindi pa natin
So,
nakikita.
hindi yung lang, laser.
Never pa nagawa.
Actually, maganda skin ni Phil.
Ay, paano? Nag-PicoSure.
Ito.
Okay, I'll do my exosomes for hair. Teka, sino yung gwapo dyan sa labas? Oh my gosh, Alden!
Mag-pay.
Alam mo,
Ay, sir, how are you?
napaka-cute naman ng Alden na to.
Mag-pay respect po muna.
Oh, syempre. Ang gwapo, guys. Oh, look, tingnan
Ay, ba yung makeup?
parang Bello babies.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So,
Thank you, Doc Bello.
what are you doing?
Cleaning
Pa-clinic lang, at facial.
Tapos ano po?
Hair.
Yeah, exercise.
I'll do that. I'm mag-hair exercise kami.
Maganda yung
Since
exercise.
my hair is thinning, now I need to do it na.
Yes, ako po I started yan para hindi na natin nahabulin.
Yan!
Diba?
Naku yata, hindi naman.
Yes po.
Ay, thank you so much.
See you.
Ang cute ha, may dimples.
Good morning guys. Hanapin natin si ma'am. Piling ko si ma'am nandiyan. Siya yan dyan nanonood ng TV. Oh guys, siya nga. Good morning ma'am. Wow, si ma'am. Ay. Nanap kita ma'am, dito ka lang pala.
Hello, Lottie. Yung breakfast ko.
Doon ma'am, nanap man kita. Sabi ko, parang wala ka sa taas eh. Kaya bukas
Sorry, kasi I have no work today. Gusto ko mag-relax. So, nag-chill lang ako dito, ha? And I'm watching my favorite, TV show. But that's too old. This is old na, pero I love watching this. So, guys, it's just, I'm chilling today. I have no work. So, okay, watch lang. And later, hindi mo magpapa-massage ka o hilot?
Hilot po ma'am.
Bakit?
Nalugos.
Kasi okay, good na. Tapos later, bilan mo ako ng yung shampoo ko. Kasi we're going to,
Apo ma'am.
to
Sige po.
LU, see you. Okay, go na.
Okay pa.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!
And cut.
Ano nga?